Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have this really pretty box right here. Doesn't really tell you anything. Well, it tells me what's on the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful box. This box is from QVC, and this is one of their TILI boxes. Try it, love it box. I think I don't have the price because they didn't send a slip, and I have to go into my account. And I haven't done that yet, but I will in the description. And TILI is Try It, Love It. And this is the Summer Survival Kit. Figured why not give it, even though summer's over, but some of the items in here looked really good. Let me see. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in here. Like I said, I will get the price. This box is really nice. This, you know, little sneak peek there, you don't get much. I'll take some tissue off. I'm just trying to keep this away from Oreo. She's on the hunt and the prowl. Let's see what this is. We'll skip that for now. The first thing, and this is just like a quick little peek right there. And let's do this first product. This is from Cleo Coco. This is a charcoal deodorant, natural, aluminum free, sweet surrender, lavender, vanilla. That's really nice. How does this come off? Screws off. Ooh, and it has this like a plastic seal, and I'm going to leave that on. Ooh, that smells really, really nice. I've been into using a more natural deodorant these days. Let me find that on the sheet here. Cleo and Coco charcoal deodorant. I don't think this gives prices. No, it does not. It just gives you like their item number. So that's that. Another item here, which I was excited for, is from Tarte. And this is called Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And this is in black. Let's open this up. Love Tarte as a brand. Some great products. I'm not going to be opening this. It's a wood container though. Full size. Love that. I might keep that for myself and save that. My samples are running out, so then I might open up a full size Tarte Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. This mascara with Amazonian clay helps provide soft, weightless volume while nourishing lashes. And then the deodorant says formulated with activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and arrowroot powder. Cleo and Coco charcoal deodorant glides effortlessly onto skin with a creamy feel, helping to control odor from the moment you begin using the clear formula. And it says very gentle. So those are the two items there. Here we have something wrapped up nicely. This is, I think, a mug. Just figured how to get into it. Right here, it's popping. Put that here. Enjoy every moment is the mug. Wow, that's a nice size mug. Does it tell you how many ounce mug it is? 17.5 ounces. That's a big mug. Enjoy every moment. Ooh, I like that. That'll be a good coffee mug. This is 10 Strawberry Street mug. Yeah, it's just, you know, enjoy your favorite beverage. Wow, that is really pretty. I like that. Wish they gave prices, but they don't. So here we have a polish LVX nail lacquer, and I guess you could have got different shades. This one is in rose gold. I'm gonna give that to my mom. I like a non-pearlized polish. Let's see what this says. LVX nail lacquers are ultra rich and creamy formula with a super smooth and effortless application. Leaves you with a high gloss Oreo. Leaves you with a high gloss gel-like look in minutes. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Now see, this is one thing I don't mind. This is Tula Balance Beauty Gummy Vitamins. I have used these in the past. These are very good. And these are for strong hair, skin, and nails, plus probiotics. This is good. Get 60 gummies. These yummy gummies contain probiotics and biotin. And there's more to discover. This is such small print. I wish, I mean, you guys could see how small that print is. You have old eyes, that doesn't help. Then, looks like we have a little sample of Peter Thomas Roth. I think that's on the front. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Moisturizer. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench SPF 45 Cloud Moisturizer features SPF 45 sunscreen with a cream to water invisible finish that shields skin from the sun and hydrates with a liquid cloud of water vapor to help moisturize during sun exposure. That's a lot for a little tube. Then it looks like we have a sample here of Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I have used this, and Estee Lauder, this is new. I could have swore this was out already, unless they changed it. Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Huh. Just a little sample that you could try once or twice. New Fast Repair and New Youth Generating Power. Okay, happy for that. Then you also, in here came a tumbler. Primula Peek insulated tumbler. I'll just take this out. Oh, that's nice. You can see that. I like that it's not smooth, so you can get a good grip. Hand wash only, not for the microwave. Made in China. Primula. And this has, you know, the clear top lid that, how does this, oh, it locks. I could just unlock it and then opens and then clicks back. I like a clear lid because then you can see, but I like, I can't get it to close. I don't have the strength, so I'm not going to bother, but I like that it locks so that you spill less. Now that feels nice in your hand. And you could have gotten gold or like this silver, like this black silver color, which I wouldn't have cared either way. So that's nice. I like that for my coffee or tea. Even while I'm filming, my coffee gets cold. So now I can keep it in here and it'll stay nice and warm. Keep your morning caffeinated with a hot cup of coffee and your afternoons hydrated with a refreshing swig of cold water. These insulated tumblers maintain all of your beverages the right temperature. Plus, leak-proof lids prevent spills. That's pretty big. How's the top? Is it screw top? I'm not going to have the strength for that. Oh, it is a screw top, so that's good. Decent size, as you can see. Oh, I like that. I don't have one like this. I have tumblers, but they're more just like the pop-on lids, and they can spill in your car. And I don't eat or drink in my car, but like this, I wouldn't mind. It's the right size for a, you know, a holder for your car. And then the last thing that came in the box, I don't want that box to fall over, but it's going to. Pair of sunglasses. Let's see what these look like. I don't need another pair of sunglasses. I'll probably give these to my mom. I gave her a pair, and these are by Prive Revaux, right there. I love these kinds of cases. They're so nice. So you get, you know, a little card from them right here. God, with a number on it. And then a cleaning cloth, which is always appreciated. Let's see what these look like. I'm going to try to tell by the picture. They look black. If I could only get this open to show you, that would be a miracle. Oh, these look really nice. They're all wrapped up nice. So let's take this off, and I'm ready. I guess I should have pulled this off before. Okay. Come on. Oh, they're nice. That's what they look like. So they're like, you know, they're silver, but more like a, almost like a matte silver, almost with like a little hint of black in them. Let me show you. Of course, I can't see anything without glasses on. And I have bright lights on both sides of me, and that is dulling them down a lot. These are comfortable. You'll have to tell me what they look like until I can look in a mirror. Ooh, I like them. Maybe my mom's not going to get them. I mean, I wear sunglasses all the time. I even step out of my house and I wear them. They're really nice. I like them. Very, very, ooh, fell right out and onto the floor. Great. Break them before you even wear them. Okay, so that's everything that came in this box. Like I said, I will list the price down below. You know, there's a couple samples, 2 samples, but that's not bad. And I knew this was coming in it. And I love taking these for your hair, for your nails, for your skin. So, and I have used them in the past, and they are very nice. So that is the Summer Survival Kit for the Try It, Love It box from QVC. I will put item numbers for everything down in the description box because they do give the item numbers, and I'll try to capture a photo of this, but it's so small I don't know if I'll be able to. So sunglasses I'm excited for. This, awesome. I think this is adorable, and I will use that. Sunglasses, these, the deodorant, probably, and then the Tarte mascara, the Peter Thomas Roth, Estee Lauder. I have used their night repair in the past. Excited for this. This is probably the only thing just because of the color. Like if this was a normal color, not like a, what do they call them? Shimmer or frost or gel, things like that. I don't wear, I like a standard flat color. Like, and in the picture, it showed a pink. Like I would have worn that. Even if I would have put it on my toes, I would have put it on my nails. So it wouldn't have mattered. So, that's probably the only thing that I would pass along for sure. I would use everything else without any doubt. Now, I will share some of this with my mom. She might need the glasses more than me since I have tons. I'm going to let her try the Peter Thomas Roth because I have tried this, and the Estee Lauder. She can have the nail polish. I'll probably keep everything else for myself. I think this was a great one. Let me know what you think of this. Have you ever tried the TILI boxes from QVC? I have in the past. I think at one point, I forget when, and I might put the links down in my description box where I did one video. I think I had 6 of the TILI boxes when they were on sale, and I think some are on sale now. And these are a great way to try some products, but have you ever tried them? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye bye now.